welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching. So as you guys already know, today I'm going to be doing a look for you guys using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Since this is going to be a talk through video, it may be a little bit longer, so I don't want to have a super long intro. I'm talking through this video because the people who know me, they keep telling me like, Deanna, you need to talk in your videos, you need to show people your personality. So yeah, I'm just talking through this video, that way you can... I dropped something. So yeah, I'm talking through this video, that way you guys can get a better feel for like who I am and like how I am. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so jumping straight into it, I usually start with this already done, but I pressed record and realized I didn't do it yet. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow primer. I like to use this because it's lighter and it brightens up my eyes, so that way when I put on the eyeshadows, they just go on a little bit more vibrant. So y'all know that P. Louise base that everybody and their mama be using. Do you have that? If you have it, just comment and let me know if I like for real should get it. Now to just set that, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and my beauty blender, and I'm going to set that. I can't get enough. Okay. And so now what you guys are here for, we're going to go in with the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it just looks like this here. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Coastline, which is this shade right here. This is going to add a little bit of definition to my crease and just give me like a little bit of color. That way that hot pink blends into something. It just makes everything look a little bit more blended. So that's what I'm doing here, and as you can see, like, it's showing up, but it's not like showing up for real. Can y'all even like see that little bit of color that it's giving me? Let me, y'all see just that little bit? Okay, anyway, so now we're gonna go in with this hot pink shade right here. It's called Bahamas, and I'm gonna blend that in my crease using my Morphe M441 brush. The last brush I used was a brush that I got from like a Sonia Kashuk brush set that you can't find anymore, but this Morphe brush you totally can find. So I'm doing more of like a packing in my crease first before I go in and blend it out a little. I think I really like this palette. I'm definitely going to be using it in the summer. Like, all these shimmer shades are so pretty. And now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, the purple shade, and I'm gonna pop that in my crease, like directly in my crease, using my Morphe M506 brush. I'm gonna do that patting motion again, just to build up the intensity of the color. While I have y'all here, I need some new music. I just need some new music. I pretty much listen to everything, honestly, so I don't really care about like the genre. So if y'all got some music or something y'all been listening to that bops, then let me know. Right now I'm listening to the Party Girls, not Party Girls, the City Girls. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes, talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. I'm the realest bitch ever to you snake ass hoe. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. And now this is a Morphe M443 brush. Wow, I didn't realize that I have a lot of Morphe brushes, but I like Morphe brushes. They're real cheap and they're good, so I use them. This video is not sponsored. Morphe doesn't know that I exist, or really no one knows I exist for real. But I really am like trying to put myself out there more. So if you guys could like this video and comment, or you know, make sure you're subscribed, you know, feel free to share a video every now and then, like, you know, all that little stuff. It'll really help me out, because honestly you guys, I really do put like time and effort into my videos, and I'll be getting no views, and it's very disheartening. Like, I mean, I only have a little bit of subscribers, so you know, I don't expect to post a video and then get like lots of views in the first place. But you know, I really do put effort into my videos, and I mean, I know my videos aren't the best thing on YouTube, but I think I have pretty decent quality. Like, I think I have pretty decent quality. So if you guys just, you know, like my videos and subscribe and, you know, share my stuff, like it would really just help me out a lot. And thank you in advance if you do so. So now I'm about to go in and cut my crease some. I'm going to take that same LA Girl concealer and Fawn that I used. And now that my other eye is already done, I wish I would have cut it a little higher, because with my eye shape you guys would have been able to see it better. And also that little shimmer, that little glitter shimmer that I have, if I would have cut it a little higher, it wouldn't transfer as much. So now I'm going in with the shimmery pink shade. I'm gonna pop that like in the center of my lid, and this is just a brush that I got from a Sephora brush kit this past holiday, and I'm going to pop that on my lid, the shade right here. I'm gonna take that and pop it on the inner corner of my eye. Now I would definitely recommend that if you have a smaller brush, I would recommend using a smaller brush for this, because you need to get like right in that inner corner, but my brushes are dirty. I need to clean them like really bad. Please focus, thank you. This one's from Urban Decay. It's one of their heavy metal glitter liners. It's in the shade Junkshow. I'm gonna use that and just, you know, pop it in like our inner crease. Okay, boom. I feel like it just adds like a little extra something to the eye, makes it really cute. I'm gonna go in with liquid liner from Fenty, and then I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get into face. Alright, so my lashes are on. Honestly, you guys, I'm really not feeling them. They're just 2 lashes from Sephora that are stacked, and I'm just not feeling them, but we're gonna, yo, my speaker is being so disrespectful right now. But yeah, these lashes, I'm not really feeling them, but they're already on, so we're just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead with my primer. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1. Come on. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Nourishing Primer. My skin is pretty dry, so that's why I'm using this Nourishing Primer. Y'all know I always use my Too Faced, but I need to use new products because I have enough products to be using different stuff, but I find that I always just use the same products in my videos. So I'm trying to use some different stuff. Now, honestly, this one I use a lot. Sorry, it's the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. I really like this to use just right here, and it just blurs out my pores and gives me my cheeks like a little bit of like, you know, a little glow. Going back in with my Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Concealer. I'm gonna use this to cancel out my birthmark. If you watched my videos a long time ago, you know I use this all the time, but if you've been watching my most recent videos, you know that I'm back on it. This is my absolute favorite thing to use to cover my birthmark because it is a dry concealer. So when I go in with my things on top, it doesn't move, it doesn't budge, it doesn't come back off. So I love that. And I'm also running a little bit of it underneath my eye. So I'm gonna go with my favorite drugstore foundation. I haven't used it in a minute, so hopefully I still like it like I think I do. So this is the Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation from Maybelline. I'm gonna go in with this Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow, like this is water from Fresh, just to give me a little bit of extra hydration. And then let's go in with this. And this brush is from Bare Minerals. It's called Smoothing Face brush. I feel like I say this in every video, but it seems like it looks a little more like orange on camera, but y'all, this shade is so good. And this is the number 95, called Coconut. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my Fenty concealer. I really have been enjoying this, and I'm in the shade 410. Now when I blend out my Fenty concealer, it's just not as bright as I like it to be. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Adrian concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on top just for some added brightness. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty setting powder in the shade Honey, and I'm going to set my under eye. And I'm going to use the Fenty powder pretty much everywhere I put concealer. So under my eye, also going to pop it on my chin and my forehead. Going in with the dark brown shade in the palette, I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the Mikasa Beauty brush in E310. I'm using the brown more so just for depth. I'm going to go on top of it with the purple, the matte purple that I used right here. I'm going to go in with that just on top of the brown. So now we're going to go ahead and contour because I look real bright. So we're going to use the True Complexion Contour Kit from Black Radiance. Alright, now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Now honestly you guys, I can use this bronzer. I do have to dig a little bit harder than I like to get it to really show up on me, like for real for real. But I mean, it does work. Now we're going to go in with some blush. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Her Berry Adore, or Berry Adore, yeah. Berry Adore like blush trio. Just kind of do this little number here and pop that on my cheeks. I'm sorry. I just thought of something. Oh my god. Before I pop it on highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Fix It Forget It spray from Lancome. Y'all, I love this. Like, I love this stuff. Alright, now I really didn't want to use any of the highlighters that I had. So when that happens, I always just go to my MAC Gold Deposit because it's my favorite one. I was going to buy one of the new Anastasia highlighters, but you guys, they are, they're a little bit too chunky and too glittery for my personal liking. The colors are beautiful, but I don't like the chunky glitter. Like, I'm not here for it. So I didn't buy one because I was just gonna, you know, use that since I'm using her palette and stuff, but I just won't feel it. Alright, now for lips. I don't know what I want to do for lips. I know y'all probably tired of me doing nudes, but I'm just always here for a good nude, especially when there's a little bit more going on the eye area. I'm gonna go in with my new favorite brown lip liner, which is from Black Opal in the shade French Toast. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia lipstick in the shade Dead Roses. I don't think I'm going to like this, but we're going to see. Do I like this? I'm going to go with it because it's still a little bit more color. Like, it's not like nude, but it's still a little bit more color because I don't want to just do just like a nude. I still want to have some pink in there. I'm just going to use a clear gloss, that way the color of the lipstick stays the same. This is from Pat McGrath. I'm just going to use her clear gloss to go over this. Ooh, I liked it a lot more now that the gloss is on. Okay. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see y'all on my next one.